welcome to the mix. And on the mix again, we have Maxine. And now Maxine is offering Jeanette her help. She's asking Jeanette to call her so that she could help her with the situation with Ashanti. So here we go again. Maxine is offering her help to Jeanette in the case that she's having with Ashanti. So she's extending her help, and she said that she's willing to, make sure that everything is taken care of. So go ahead and listen to the video, listen to what Maxine has to say about all of this. She's giving out the information and stuff. So go ahead and go catch the video, and remember to always like, share, comment on the video, and have yourselves a wonderful one.
Gavin, come here. Gavin, Mr. Gavin, come here, Mr. Gavin. Let me read more. So, on the paper it say the judge assigned is that Division P date right. Oh, come back here. Docket. Hold on there. Boy, Ashanti. Hold on there. At two plaintiff the panny, At two plaintiff the panny. Mirror, see you in a big trouble, Shanti. Shanti, you in a big trouble and you want compound life come in at the woman house, come do like the house still belongs to you. Me say because Janet, me tell you, Janet, me grieve for you, Janet. Janet, me grieve for you. Me grieve for you because me tell you, if you call me, Janet, you shouldn't have to go through all of them something here. You shouldn't have to go through all of them something. Alright, done with Tina Chin now. Or Lorraine or whoever lock up them picnic. Make me talk about this a story now. We done with that. Make we talk about the story now. When you find you send you come give me or send we want to make them play. But me done with that part now. Janet, me grieve for you. Janet, me grieve for you. Because me tell you, say, the only person me can send to go help you right now is my daughter. Janet, me tell you, say she offer to help you. Janet, me tell you, Me tell you. And Janet, look what you make happen to you. Look on the disgrace what they go happen to you in social media, Janet. Because a public record now, Janet, so you can't hide no more. Janet, you can't hide no more. You better you call me, Janet. Me know how to deal with the situation for you, Janet. Me can deal with this for you, Janet. Me can deal with this for you. Yeah, man. Me a bad girl. Bad to the bone. Yes, me bad to the bone. Me just send two smaddy go free him. Send him straight back to New York in the cold. If they can't find him, straight back to New York in the cold. Because if you wind up to me, I will cut off my nose to pipe my face. I will say things about him, but it's going to be true. Things what me know are not supposed to come out, I will say it. Because me want him go file, go in the court, go file something against me. Go and go file something. Go and go file something. You're going to get a beating right now, a beer food. Right now, a beer flood in New York. Really? Let me read. Let me continue read. So, Division P. Natalie, plaintiff. Janet Kelly, plaintiff. Solomon Gavin, defendant. Me rascal. Me going to be plaintiff too. Me going to have on the plaintiff part. Hold on, Janet, no run left me. Janet, no run left me yet, Janet. Hold on. Me going to have on some panny, Janet. No worry yourself, Janet. For me they come. Janet, me need your help, Janet. Janet, me need your help so bad. Janet, me need your help. Call me. Just call me. I need your help. You no think I joke me they make? You no want me show on it? Do you no want me to show on it? Let me send it to my other phone and then me show on it. But before me show no nothing, I swear, if you no put something in a me something, I already get somebody who to top up my phones for me. So me no need no top up. Somebody's going to top up my phone for me. The Zelle number is 813-378-6228. That's the Zelle and the Cash App. If you want to Western Union me or MoneyGram me, me now go show you so. You have to send me something because I know you can do super chat if I even $10. If I even $10, me nah go no eat free tonight. Me can't show you. See there, me can't show you. Me take off everything or me fi take off from after. Me can't show you. The whole court record. The whole court record. So now that me know the house in a Janet name and Natalie name, you can go Google and find where the house, the address and all. Well, Andy, let me show you how the house look. Let me show you how the house look. Before we done, let me show you. Repeat the Zelle. 813-378-6228. 813-378-6228. Guys, it's public record now. Go look, Google, and find where the house there. If they're in a Wamaima, Hillsborough. Wamaima, Hillsborough. You want to know how Wamaima spell? W-I-M-A-U. Come, people. Yeah, man. Yeah, send them over here, Sherry's, make them send me some money. Me need the money. Me need the money. Me have to go market tomorrow. Don't show that paperwork. Let them look for it. Yes. Me a go no good solid information. No joke. No joke. Yeah, you can go online, go find it Barbie shop. A public record. You just have to know what to look for. So I'm telling you what to look for right now. I'm gonna repeat it one more time. Somebody have to send me some money pan the super chat and the Zelle. The Zelle, the super chat, you name it. Maxine Anderson, Cash App, and Zelle 813-378-6228. I work. I'm not chicken me a jerk over here, so. Me a go no valid information. Me see the whole of I run with me live yesterday. When we play the Cry Baby. Yeah, man. Me see the whole of I run with it yesterday. Me play it again. Me see the whole of Me see the whole of they play. So me a ask please, put something on the super chat and the Zelle. You know they get valid information. Real information. Real information you know they get. Me need the money. If me they telling us say me need money to go back, me know the whole of don't come together and put him back in our house. Me know the whole of go jump up and say, oh, he doesn't deserve to be homeless. Go on, go help him. If you don't want, go help him. Go help him. Because in not only go and need, you hear me the belch? I was 1 second away from an heart attack. You hear me a belch? Lord Jesus. You know hear me a belch? Me say me feel all you so kind of the stiff up. Me kind of feel alright, you know. The heartburn kind of gone. Maxine and yes, Rebecca. Thank you, Rebecca. 813-378-6228. That's the Cash App and the Zelle, people. And if you want to send me Western Union or MoneyGram, yes, Maxine Anderson. I'm working and a chicken me over yesterday jerk. Me can't ever jerk chicken rain the fall. Because me when go just jerk it past out wood fire out a door. Me go just jerk it past wood fire out a door. Ads they play and me sitting, you can't even imagine. Me ads them they kick up. Me ads them they kick up, me say. Alright. In can't laugh off of Marcia. In can't laugh off of Curly. Curly situation different from him. Him going face court date, time in a jail and all. And then something there. If Janet press charges. Natalie, listen to me, Natalie. Press charges. Press charges. Do not let him get away, Natalie. Do not. Press charges into face your out of order. Press charges. And if you don't press charges, I'm coming. I'm coming. Just hold on. I'm coming. You know who we hear about it. Who know we hear about it because I'm going to make it so public you not go even imagine. I am going to make it so public. You better pray God. Hey.